Okay, here's the front plate. Okay, this has got a little bit of a twist that we need to put into this. Where's your twisting tool? So it clamps like this, pipes over here. Where's your bolt? You're going to use the best merchandise running for hardware. Good enough?
We did.
You're going to fall
Actually,
off.
I don't know if you did. We can use this.
You know, lock nuts, he's got crappy ass mechanical locks, maybe. I got these square nuts here that someone said I need to use.
Those things are trash.
There's a lock washer.
I don't know why I gotta use those things.
We're not gonna use those square nuts.
No.
Fresh out. Square nuts aren't allowed.
Those things were in the biggest pain in the ass on this oil bag mount.
Yeah.
God, worst place for it.
They were fun. Used a ratchet. Figure all day. There's your speed wrench.
Right.
There's your 1/2 inch out. Right here. Go for it. Is that the same thread? Why is that nut so tight?
It's spinning.
Why is that nut so tight? Where'd you get this crap from?
Came with my Paco. I got that from Paco.
Yeah, N means? Metric.
Not for motorcycle use.
Probably means metric. How about
That's
this
what we
one?
should be using.
Does that one fit?
Yeah.
Pull that back off. So this is an American Paco bolt. See the difference in thread there? Yeah, I can't hold it 2 hands, 1 hand. See the difference? See, one's metric, one's American, or one's American and one's we don't know what it is. So we're going to go with this one here because this fits the nut. That one right there is the receptacle over there I store that stuff in. You ever seen that before?
Mm-mm.
It's that rectangular basket right there. Sure, I store stuff like that for when I need it again.
Let's see.
Yeah, how often I need metric hardware?
Never.
Not very often.
Yeah.
I don't know what that thread was, so I don't even want to figure it out. It's a piece of crap bolt anyway, so I don't care. South Paco came with that one, huh? You sure?
Yeah.
That wasn't this sprocket?
I'm not sure.
Probably
Actually, I think this one came with Paco's.
No, that's not a Paco bracket.
No, but this one was, and that's where I grabbed the hardware from.
Oh, okay. So Paco gives you metric hardware. Great. Good American parts, we like that. Is that going easier now?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, imagine that. Okay, don't make it full tight, just get it pulled in a little bit.
Don't go full tight?
No, I gotta make some adjustments yet. Okay, you there? Okay. See how the clamp now is more centered? See, now the clamp matches the pipe. And this no longer matches that. Perfect. See, it's a lot easier to do that on the bike than try to figure it out off the bike. Okay, get the real tools in there now. Tighten the nut with that. That's the nut tighter, not the wrench socket. This tightens nuts. This folds bolts.
Gotcha.
If there's room. You gotta get the correct tool though. Once you use the box in, just open end crap. See, box holds it good. Push down with that one until it quits moving. When it quits moving, it might be tight. Now, if it still moves, it's not tight. Just in case you didn't know that. Okay. See how quality bolts can't torque?
Yep.
So this is a genuine crappy bolt. Okay, do you know what torque you had on that?
I don't.
Did you think it was tight, or did you think it was still tightening?
Yeah, it felt like it was still tightening.
That's because it was breaking.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yep.
Now we need a better bolt.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta go get a real bolt.
Let's get a bolt.
So, see what length that is? You notice how the washer is also gone away?
Yeah.
Because you over torqued it. Junk hardware. Okay, let's go get some real bolts. Bring that with you. That's why I throw away most hardware that comes with parts, because of junk. Okay, 5/16 hardware. What length do you want?
Inch.
Like that? See how it's got 3 hashes? That's a grade 5 bolt. See, that's a fine thread bolt. There's a coarse thread. There's a nice nasty 5/16 thread. There you go. That's the same one you had. Okay, I gotta find us a 5/16 nut. Preferably some kind of a locking nut. Do you have some kind of a 5/16 locking nut in here somewhere? There's one right here. That's a fine thread. Where's your fine thread? Yeah, look at that. Those two might match.
We're not using this?
No, we got a fine thread. We'll try that one. Let's see if you break that one off. My guess is it might not break as easy as that last one did. Oh, there's a mechanical locking nut. We could have used that one. But they don't match?
Yeah, they do.
Don't need that.
Don't need a washer?
It's a lock washer on it, see it?
But for the front of this?
Oh, a flat washer?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a flat washer? You had one.
Flying when that bolt broke.
No, I put it back, I thought.
Just that.
Couldn't have flew very far.
This one? No.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's already dimpled. So I know it's a good one. Everybody's dying to hear this thing run. I don't know why, it's just going to be noisy. Okay, you got the appropriate tools?
Yep.
No. No. There you go. Oh, you saw the 2 slides there? One big, one small? Now don't forget about the large ones, because the one below it needs a large one.
Shit, get a ratchet in there.
Can't get into the ratchet. Oh, made it. Good. There you go. Okay, see if this one tightens up this time. Good tight?
I think that's good.
Tighter than it was before?
Yeah, that's good.
Looks like you're pulling on it. Do I have to go in there and test the torque to see if you tightened it?
You're gonna spin it some more.
Well, then tighten it if it's loose. Do you think it's loose or is it tight? It looks like you're actually working this time. You weren't working so hard last time. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty tight. Or you're really weak, I can't tell. Sometimes I'm surprised. All right, let's torque the back one.
This one we need to get?
I already got the inner one.
So we gotta get this one.
Yeah, gotta get the right tools though. Where's the other tool? There you go. Oh, he flipped it around already. Now you're getting smart. Now how much you gonna tighten this one up?
Till it breaks.
More than the other one. Well, I hope that bolt torques down more than the 5/16, but it is a crappy bolt, so we're not sure. Remember, it's just holding on your exhaust. It's not like it's important.
Nah.
Yeah, looks like it's getting tight. Are you happy with that one? Is it tight?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. We'll find out how tight is later. All right, now we got the front one to do. Keep going, keep going. My side in here. Okay. Where's the bolt? Down there. Did lose it. Gone forever.
Right?
In the bottomless pit down there.
Oh, fucker.
Hidden.
Got the bolt, just lost the washer.
I mean the one that was no good?
Probably.
It was already spread and you need a better washer. See, that one's no good too. Let's go up front and grab a real American washer. Go get some real washers. Need something that's going to be, you can torque. Okay, so I think we lost our beer can material here. I'm guessing this is what he had jammed in there. Shim material. Find a good one? Is that the right one? Crappy one. No, we'll need that, don't lose it. Oh, you're cheating. Oh, look at that. He's using a ratchet. Oh, jeez.
Right tool, right?
Yeah. Speed wrench. We got our gap in here. Don't lose that. That's good. Did you break it?
What the hell?
You stripped it. Did you strip it? You must have. Did it ever go up in the hole, or you just?
Maybe it didn't.
You have to get it started first.
Here, let me see. It's strange.
Maybe you didn't have it in there at all, or it stripped.
Yeah, it must have not been in there.
Okay, we'll go with that. Get it started? No, looks like he did. See how it moved out when he went in? Okay, now try the other wrench. Take two. I'll just edit out that first one. Yeah, sure.
I'm going the wrong way though.
That would make it come out if you're going the wrong way.
Yeah, that's smart.
You unscrewed it?
I did.
That was a good job.
Thanks.
But you'll never strip it if you unscrew it. Another 1/2 inch shot. Oh, none of that. There it is. Yeah, there's just slightly in there. It's not tight. Give it a little room to play with. Double shims. Remember, Paca requires shims and American bolts. I like how I used a white can instead of a black can so it matches the chrome better. Did you plan that?
Nah. Let's get this in.
Need to get the bolt in there. You should put some Loctite on that bolt when you get to for real.
Okay.
I think that it's going to take more than that lock washer to keep that tight. Okay, bring it in by hand a little bit and we'll start tightening this one. Okay, now tighten that one up. Back down here, tighten this one up a little more. And these are junk bolts, you can't over torque these ones. When you keep tightening, it doesn't feel any tighter. It gets tight as it's going to get. We might be slightly closer than we were, but I'm not sure. Remember the gap we had back in here?
A little bit closer.
That's what I thought.
There you go. That looks like it.
There you go. Little minor adjustment. I'll move the pipe out also so it looks up better.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one tight?
Yep.
Sure. Should use a box in on that. Okay, don't get too carried away. Strip that damn thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's tight?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
This one?
This one we didn't do all the way.
Is that American bolt? We can torque it? Is that a crappy another bolt again? Why didn't we cut that damn thing when we had it off?
We never had this off. I mean, earlier.
We had the pipe off.
Right. Can we do it on here?
Yeah, we can
Little
do it on
Dremel?
here. We can do it on here. I got my little Dremel tool over there. Let's go grab it. Okay.
Ooh, that spun weird.
That means you broke it. Pull it off. And we just stripped it. How many threads are actually going in the frame? 3?
There's not many.
Well, then you can't torque it with a key-man grip if you only got 3. If you don't see the bolt out the backside, you can't strip them very far. Yeah, so go get another bolt that's 1/4 inch longer. You're pushing it too far on that one. All right, we need do some more whack, whack, whack. So I'm gonna use this grinder again over here. I'm gonna cut something off. All right, I'll wait for his bolt to come back.